picture of the railway yard with Libbyville Shack, and here's another picture of it. We now have the water tower while he's getting water. St. Barbara's Church, the schoolhouse, coming around the bend. Here's a main shot of the town. We have another shot coming in from the side. Here's the main station with everybody waiting. Again, another shot of the town. A little closer. You can see the guys painting on the different houses and looking at the candy shop. Nice trestle bridge shot. Here's the trains going over and under. Going around the bend towards Kate Junction. And we're loading up the cows. Coming out of the tunnel. Full train.